up, y'all? It's your girl Coco Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Coco. On this video, I'm going to be unboxing my Glam-Aholic Athletic Tumbler, you guys. Y'all know that I love me some Glam-Aholic Lifestyle. They are a black-owned and a female-owned lifestyle company, you guys. I have a special announcement for you guys as well. I don't think I've announced this to my YouTube community yet. The girl is a Glam-Aholic Lifestyle affiliate, so that means that I am an ambassador for Glam-Aholic Lifestyle. And this is such a full circle moment for your girl. I made my first Glam-Aholic Lifestyle video in 2024, and since it's gotten over 1,000 views, and your girl is a small YouTuber, so that is not a small feat. So once again, I do want to thank Glam-Aholic Lifestyle for allowing me to join the affiliate community. I'm so grateful and thankful. So whenever you guys shop Glam-Aholic Lifestyle, use my link glam-aholiclifestyle.com/Coco Nicole. Your girl gets a small commission whenever you shop my link for giving you guys this great content. So before I unbox my athletic tumbler, I wanted to show you guys a few of my other Glam-Aholic Lifestyle purchases, which I love and I've been using. You guys, your girl is big on self-care. So when I found out that Glam-Aholic Lifestyle was coming out with a journal, I knew that I had to pick it up. It might have dropped maybe like earlier this year or late last year, but whatever the case, I had went ahead and picked it up. And they offer it in pink, you guys. Isn't this super duper cute? It has like a glossy G monogram design on the front and the back. It is college ruled. It's the perfect size if I want to like pop it like in my bag and journal like while I'm on the go. It is perfect for that. And it comes in 5 different colors. I believe it comes in the pink, brown, red, gray, and black. So I really love this. Really love it. So fall is right around the corner, you guys, and it's starting to get chilly, you know. It's starting to get cold, like where you want to cozy up like on the couch with your boo or with your dog or your kid or with your favorite book. So when that time comes, I'm so glad that I have my Glam-Aholic Luxe throw blanket, you guys. Check this out. Isn't it so nice? It is super huge. It is like so huge, and it just eats me up and it covers me up, and I just love cozying up with this bad boy on the couch. And y'all know that pink is my favorite color, so I had to pick it up in pink. But I believe this also comes in red, brown, black, and gray as well. And you guys, it is wool and cashmere, so it is really luxe. It is great quality. I have not washed mine yet, but it comes with wash instructions, so be sure to follow those to keep your blanket beautiful and looking like new. And they also have one that has like the G monogram, but I believe that it might be like a little bit smaller. But I wanted to zoom out and show you guys like how big this is. So I'm about 5'3", and this thing is at least like 6 foot tall, and it's at least 6 foot wide. So so glad that I had picked this up, so I had to show you guys this as well. All right, we ready to unbox the newest addition to the Glam-Aholic collection. I feel like my collection just keeps getting larger and larger. And you know, the stuff is just so nice. Like, I want to get everything, but you know, I know that I can't. So I just, you know, pick and choose like what I want to get, and you know, just take it one day at a time, you know, because you know, my place is only but so big, and my closet is already ridiculous. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I'm running my mouth. This is so cute. I love this package. Yes to the packaging. Once again, it makes like the experience even more like fun. So cute. And I had got the nude color, you guys. It had ran out of the pink or whatnot, and I already kind of do have like an orange and pink like Stanley cup. So I said that the nude will go with like my neutral outfits, kind of like this outfit that I'm wearing today. The nude will complement like my, you know, less colorful outfits or whatnot, because like my Stanley cup is like real colorful. You guys, so cute. And of course she comes with a straw. Yes. And I can just push the straw like right through here. So yeah, it comes in this nude color, pink, and black. And I knew that I didn't want black. But I think pink had went first, and then black, and then the nude. But so cute. She is still, you guys. I know that this is gonna keep everything nice and cold. Yes, like I feel like, you know, like washing it and cleaning it and using it today. I mean, why not? Like I said, like it matches like my outfit. And of course your girl's about to go somewhere. I'm about to go to a to another summer festival. But oh my goodness, I just love this thing. So I can do like my journaling. I can journal while I'm sipping on my cup. I didn't clean it yet, so I'm not about to drink out of it. But this thing is so nice, and I believe it's supposed to fit in like your cup holder and everything. It looks like it will, but I am obsessed, no lie. And it matches my blanket too, because that would have been a lot of pink. So I'm really glad that I had picked up the nude color, because it pretty much goes with like everything. It'll go with like other items from my collection, my Glam-Aholic collection. This is from the Athletic line, so it has the Glam-Aholic written out in uppercase letter. It has like the athletic kind of look, and this will be great, you know, like I said, like I'm big on self-care. This will be great for you know, when you're working out, when you're, you know, on the go, when you're going to like a picnic or wherever you're going. This thing will be clutch. This will be real clutch all year round, especially, you know, in the summertime, in the fall, when you're outside, work. It's perfect. Check it out, sis. So I will link everything from this video down below, you guys. I will link the blanket, the cup, and the journal down below, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I think that this might be out of stock. It might be back in stock by the time this video goes up. I know that the journal is in stock, and I know that the blanket is in stock as well. Don't forget to shop my link. And like I said, I will link everything down below in case you guys miss anything. So once again, let me know what you guys think down below. I am loving this cup, you guys. And I am so pleased as usual. But let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And until next time, take care.